What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today it will be an update on XCN. So if you are interested what I'm currently thinking about this coin and what is the exact price that I'm expecting this coin is gonna hit, then definitely watch this video till the end. Before this video continues, I just want to let you know that this YouTube channel is directly connected with my Discord trading group. So if you want to know about the exact setups and exact trades that I'm taking, then definitely don't forget to join, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today on the 1 hour chart. After this absolutely amazing pump which had from the entry I set around 230% of a net market, we are forming here this triangle, which is again a bullish setup. To open here a long position, I am watching here several setups. Every setup I will describe in this video, so definitely watch this video till the end. So let's get into that. First possible setup will be valid in case of a retest of the support of this triangle. In this case, if there will be a perfect support confirmation, you want to place the stop loss either under this support, let's say stop loss will be around 5.6%, or if there will be fake out with a support confirmation, you want to place that stop loss under the low that we will create during the fake out. Last take profit targets, if I'm gonna switch on a 12-hour chart, you can then place under these previous highs, which will be my next main take profit target. So this trade will give you risk reward ratio up to 16.5 approximately, which is in my opinion really great. In this trade you definitely want to take multiple take profit targets. So some of the profits you for example want to take under this resistance of this triangle, under this bearish order block, under this previous high, under a second bearish order block, this high, and then you want to save some back to a last take profit target. So in the end the risk reward ratio will be more like 11-10, something like that, which is in my opinion still really great setup. Another potential setup that you can say here will be valid in case of a breakout and then support confirmation of this resistance. But here this is a little bit tricky because above this resistance we are having this bearish order block, which is between level 0.0207 and 0.0201. And if there will be breakout with a support confirmation, this still can be, due to this bearish order block, just a fake out. So to open here a long position, I want to see support confirmation of both of these resistances. So the exact long position can then look like this. Stop loss in this case you can place either under this this bearish order block, or you can place it under this current resistance. But this trade with, let's say, a bigger stop loss, which will have, let's say, around 11% of a net market, will give you much worse potential risk reward ratio. So me personally, I will be probably placing under this bearish order block. Last take profit targets in this case you can place on the exact same level. In this scenario it will be only 62% of a net market profit, but the risk reward ratio will be still 10.74, which is in my opinion really great. Again, this is not gonna be your final risk reward ratio. You want to take multiple take profit targets, so some of the profits for example under this previous high, again this bearish order block, this high, and then you want to save some back to a last take profit target. So in the end the risk reward ratio will be more like 7.5, something like that, which is in my opinion still really great. The main point is that after a huge pump we are forming here this triangle, which is a bullish setup. So either, let's say, support confirmation or a fake out with a support confirmation of this area, or breakout with a support confirmation will probably cause another interesting pump. These setups will be invalid if there will be breakdown with a resistance confirmation, which means we will fall out from this triangle and there will be a resistance confirmation. Then this can be a short opportunity, but on this coin opening a short position is not the best idea, because you can see that for example here we had a pump around like 234% in just 2 days and 8 hours, which is kinda crazy. So opening a short position is not making that much sense. If you want to trade here something on a bigger time frame, then you can watch this this bearish order block. And also I want to say that if you want to copy my exact trades, don't forget to join my Discord trading group, where I am sharing these types of setups every single day. A link to join is in the description or in the comments. But keep in mind that right now I'm saying this a lot, but for me this is a really big problem. There are right now a lot of scammers who are pretending to be me. So if you will ever receive a message from the account that looks like mine, keep in mind it can be a scam, or it's 100% a scam, because I will never contact you on my own, and I have only one main account which you can easily find because I am posting all of the posts from this account. I hope it's understandable. But let's now get back to that 4-hour chart. Here we are having this bearish order block, which is between level 0.0218, and the lower area is the same as previous one. But again, to open here a long position, I want to see a support confirmation of this bearish order block. This will give you safer stop loss because it will be around that 10.7%, but this is kind of similar like placing it under this support. So yeah, on the 4-hour chart you can, for example, speculate on higher returns, but still placing it, for example, like under this previous high is, in my opinion, valid last take profit target. Like if you really want, you can place it like under this previous high, which will give you a risk reward ratio around 8, which is like, it's not bad, but opening this on a coin like this is not that great risk reward ratio. So me personally, I will be taking that trade with either 10.7 risk reward ratio or that 16 something risk reward ratio. This is, in my opinion, much better. So yeah, guys, this will be all from me for today. Definitely let me know in the comments what are your exact thoughts about this coin. As I said, don't forget to join my Discord trading group. Link to join is in the description or in the comments. And I will see you in the next video. See ya.